Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we are diving into an important topic in the world of management: the differences between a project manager and an interim manager. Both roles are crucial, yet they serve different purposes and require different skill sets. You have managed a project from the start to finish within your existing role. This could be case B. These scenarios A, B highlight the fundamental differences between an interim manager, new organization, new team, and a project manager. There are differences in roles and responsibilities. A project manager is typically embedded within the organization, focusing on specific projects with a clear timeline and defined objectives. They are responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects, ensuring that all goals are met on time and within budget. About key skills and tools, let's break this down further. A project manager's responsibilities include defining project scope, developing a clear and understandable project plan, and coordinating tasks. They need to have strong organizational skills, be adept at managing and in using project management tools like Gantt charts, project management software, MS Project, Asana, and risk management techniques. An interim manager, however, needs to quickly assess the situation, identify key issues, and implement effective strategies. They often have to make tough decisions and lead through uncertainty. Their focus is on stabilizing the organization during the journey of transformation, avoiding any chaos. Understanding the differences between these roles from an interim manager and a project manager is crucial for anyone involved in management. Each role requires a unique set of skills and approaches. Interim managers are expected to make an immediate impact. They must quickly understand the business context, identifying critical issues, and start delivering results almost from day one. In the world of management, the differences between a project manager and an interim manager. Both roles are crucial, yet they serve different purposes and require different skill sets.